Hello everyone, welcome back. In this session we will learn how to solve the practice problem full prime. So first we need to understand the question and then we would solve it. So let's start. Basically in this question we are given a number, let's say n is equal to 31. Okay, now you can clearly see that 31 is a prime number, right? 31 is a prime number, but if I see 3 and 1 separately, okay, now 3 is a prime number, we know that, okay, and 1 is not a prime number, we also know that, right? Now basically 31 together is a prime number, but if I separate the digits 3 and 1, 3 is prime while 1 is not prime. So altogether this is not full prime, okay? So this is not full prime. So I hope this example is clear to you. Now let's take another example, okay? 1 minute. Let's say n is equal to 37. Now you can clearly say that 37 is a prime number. Over here 3 is also prime and 7 is also a prime number. Now individually as well as all together 37 is a prime number. So this kind of numbers are known as full prime. This kind of numbers are known as full prime. I hope the concept of full prime is clear to you. Now let's move forward to the solution part, okay? What you need to do is you need to go to the practice portal. In practice portal, in the difficulty section, choose school, okay? Then find the problem full prime, okay? Once you find the problem, you need to click on solve, okay? So let's solve the problem now. Here is the question, let's read it. Given a number n, check if it is a full prime number or not. A full prime number is one in which the... I hope the question is clear to you. Now we would code it over here. 1 minute. So let's start. Okay, let's code the question. 1 minute. So I is initially 2. I am starting from 2. 1 minute. I equal to 2. Okay. Then I am starting a while loop. While I multiply I is less than equal to n, colon, enter. Now checking for prime numbers, okay? N modulus I equal to 0, then these kind of numbers are not prime, so return 0, okay? Enter. I equal to I plus 1, okay? Enter. Backspace. While n is greater than 0, colon, enter. Okay, now over here a if condition would come. This if condition is checking if all the numbers are prime or not. So basically this is for checking if they are not prime, okay? So if n is not equal, if n modulus by 10, okay, is not equal to 2, and okay, now wait a second, I made a mistake here, and okay, now basically we need to check for 4 prime numbers, that is 2, 3, 5 and 7, okay? So I will just copy this part, okay? I am checking the digits over here. So over here I would check for 3, okay, space, over here let me write and, over here I would write 5, okay, space and space, over here it would be 7, okay? If this is true, 0, 1 minute, take in the spelling of return, okay, over here return 0, else you can just directly return with the value 1, right? Now I need to check if it is correct or not, so I would click on compile and run. 1 minute, so let's wait. The compilation is completed and my output is matching with the expected output. So now problem. Let's wait. There is an error. I need to check. Okay, 1 minute. So there is an error. Let me check where the error is coming. 1 minute. I made a mistake over here. Over here it would be n. 1 minute. Okay. Now let me click. Let's wait. Okay. So the problem is solved successfully and this is how you solve the practice problem full prime. I hope this video was helpful for you and you guys enjoyed it. If you guys have enjoyed the video, make sure you click on the like button and subscribe our channel. And thank you for joining me today. Thank you.